The NHS GALLERI trial is investigating a new blood test to see if it can help the NHS detect cancer early when used alongside existing cancer screening. The GALLERI test looks for potential signs of cancer in a sample of blood in people who have no cancer symptoms. The earlier cancer can be found, the better it can usually be treated. The trial is being run by the Cancer Research UK and King's College London Cancer Prevention Trials Unit in partnership with the NHS and a company called GRAIL, who developed the test. You can take part in the trial if you're aged 50 to 77 years old, are registered with a GP in an area where the trial is taking place, and have not been diagnosed or treated for cancer in the last 3 years. We're looking for 140,000 volunteers from all different backgrounds and ethnicities to take part, to make sure the study represents all people aged 50 to 77 living in the UK. If you've received an invitation to take part in the trial, you can follow the instructions on your letter to book your first appointment at a mobile clinic in your neighbourhood. Once your appointment has been confirmed, we'll send you some information to read before your visit. Your first appointment should take around 45 minutes. We'll first check that taking part is right for you and ask you to confirm you're willing to proceed. A health professional will then take a blood sample, just like a normal blood test, and ask you to fill in a survey about your general health. Over the next 2 years, you'll be invited back to the mobile clinic for 2 shorter visits, where you'll give another blood sample. At the end of each appointment, we'll give you a £10 voucher as a thank you for your time. Half of the people in the trial will be in the test group. Their blood samples will be tested with the GALLERI test right away. Half will be in the control group. Their blood samples will be stored and may be tested in the future. A control group is essential in research like this to provide a comparison with the test group. A computer will choose the groups at random, and you have an equal chance of being in either group. Most people will not be told which group they're in, even after the trial has ended. You'll only know you're in the test group if the test detects potential signs of cancer. This doesn't necessarily mean you have cancer, but if it happens, we'll contact you by phone as soon as possible to let you know the result. You'll be referred to an NHS hospital for further tests. For most people whose blood is tested, no cancer signs will be detected. If this is the case for you, or if you're in the control group, you'll receive a letter in around 30 days to confirm your sample has been received. We'll gather information about the people who take part in the trial, such as their personal details and medical records. All of this data is protected by law. Please remember, taking part in this research will not replace your usual NHS cancer screenings. You should also contact your GP if you notice any new or unusual symptoms. Taking part is voluntary, and you can change your mind and leave the trial at any time. If you volunteer, you'll be making an important contribution to cancer research.